Well, it's about follow-up again. So you met someone at a particular event and you happen to get their business card. So take a moment and send them an email and say it was a pleasure meeting you, and maybe a little bit about what you might have discussed. And then it might be as simple as saying, I hope it's all right if I stay in touch with you from time to time, or there may be something that you want to ask them about, which then you can take the opportunity to do that.
Networking, let's not forget what networking is all about. It's about building relationships. So it isn't necessarily, we're not talking here about collecting business cards and names so that you can pin them up on the wall and
it'll just become
feel
a
successful
pile
because you've collected 5 or 10 or 15 business cards in an event. It just doesn't carry any value until you start thinking about those business cards in terms of names and relationships and potential for getting to know people.
And you may not.
So your follow-up questions then should be related to how much more do you want to find out about this person? What intrigued you about the conversation that you had? What can you offer? Though you may think that you're just a student, you have nothing to give. You may. You might have read a book that's of interest to your new connection, or maybe you live in the same neighborhood and you were talking about breakfast spots. It doesn't all have to be about professional development. Relationship building
hobbies.
is really about touching base on a very human, personal level.